this video, I will compare Exodus Wallet and Phantom Wallet to help you decide which crypto wallet suits your needs the best. And I will divide this video into certain areas, and I'm going to talk about a platform overview of the two apps. I'm going to talk about the fees and costs, the best for what, and I'm going to give you a final verdict on the two apps. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video, starting off with a platform overview of Exodus Wallet. Well, Exodus Wallet is a multi-chain, non-custodial wallet available on desktop and mobile, supporting 250 plus cryptocurrencies with built-in swaps and staking. Phantom Wallet is a sleek non-custodial wallet built for the Solana ecosystem, offering fast transactions, NFT support, staking, and a Web3 browser. And what about the fees and the costs? Well, Exodus Wallet is free to use with variable swap fees depending on the exchange partner, and only standard network fees apply for transfers. Phantom Wallet is also free with extremely low transaction costs due to Solana's high speed and efficiency, and there are no additional wallet fees. And I would say that Exodus Wallet is best for users seeking a visually refined wallet with broad asset support, easy staking, and secure offline storage. Phantom Wallet is ideal for users deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem, especially those trading NFTs or interacting with Solana-based dApps. And let's make a final verdict between the two. I would say choose Exodus Wallet if you want a versatile multi-chain wallet with a user-friendly design, and choose Phantom Wallet if you're focused on Solana and want fast, low access costs to staking, NFTs, and Web3 apps. And which one do you use and prefer? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.